Fred is an amazing teacher. I've had the opportunity to work with him twice so far, and I'm looking forward to working with him even more. I find him to be incredibly wise, knowledgeable, deeply experienced. He creates an incredibly safe space, and the Reiki work and the attunements are so powerful, and I always feel significant shifts after our work together. I highly recommend. What I noticed from the attunement was that I felt like I'd been carrying this really heavy weight and just being like wrapped up and pulled down by it. And it was almost like the sensation of like a giant ship, almost like the size of the Titanic, that was just like drifting away from the dock. And I felt such a release of this heaviness. It was really powerful.